Who pays for my damaged or destroyed bike? It depends on how the crash occurred and whether someone else is at fault for the crash. Not all Massachusetts bicycle accidents involve serious injuries. In most cases, even in minor crashes, you can end up with hundreds, if not thousands of dollars in damage to your bike, the frame, or the equipment. Repairs can be costly, so understanding how to get your bike repaired or replaced is important. If you crash because of weather conditions, a defect or object in the road, or simply because you misjudged a turn at speed, there isn't anyone else to hold responsible for the damage to your bike. In such scenarios, your homeowner's insurance may pay for repair or replacement of the bicycle if it's covered under your policy. You will need to promptly call your insurance company to make sure your bike is properly covered, and if it is, be sure to get an estimate of the cost to repair or replace the bike from a reputable bike shop. If you are hit by a car while riding your bike in Massachusetts, the at-fault driver's auto insurance policy should cover damage to your bike that result from the accident. If another cyclist causes you to crash, you would seek payment from the at-fault cyclist's homeowner's or renter's policy if they have one.